Welcome to today's video. I'm going to paint a value sketch based on this pencil sketch, and let's get started with the darkest darks, which is going to be this tree. And it will have some lights later on, but for now in the value sketch it's going to be a plain simple shape, and this will have now the next value will be slightly lighter version of this, which will be the slope here. Even further lighter value will be some bushes or trees into the distance, like this. You can see the value change 1, 2, 3, and now I will use this slightly lighter value for the ground here. I might have to make this lighter later on. But now I'll go to the mountain itself and make this in this shape. And then the lightest or even lightest will be the cloud, which I will leave empty or unpainted. This will be the sky value, and it might have some clouds in. I'll not paint that right now. Let's keep this simple, and I'll use this lighter value here also. And this tree will cast a shadow like this, which is not parallel to the horizontal. And let's try to paint some cloud here. The light is coming in from this side. Should be slightly lighter because it's not making the mountain stand out. Something like this. And I can use the same color here also. And this shadow has gone too tall. So that's the value sketch. Typically, the value sketches can be even simpler than this. And I'll draw a border around it. If you want to see me paint this in color, then do join me at 3 p.m. on YouTube or on Facebook, where I'll be making a painting based on this value sketch here. I'll see you at 3 o'clock today. So, thank you.